Dear Tita L, itago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Chris. I'm 39 years old. Ikikwento ko lang po ang aking mala-telenovelang buhay simula pagkabata. Medyo mahaba yun kung simula pagkabata, pero sige. Simula pagkabata po ay naranasan ko ang marangyang pamumuhay until mid-college. Pero biglang nagbago ang takbo ng aming pamumuhay dahil sa pagkalugi ng aming family business. Makalipas ang maraming taon at ngayon 39 na ako, dala-dala ko pa rin ang one day millionaire attitude na nakasanayan kong lifestyle. Yun pala, sa isang iglap, lahat ay pwedeng mawala. Isa rin po akong freelance artist at nung panahon na kasagsagan ng kabi-kabilang racket at mga events, ay hindi ko napaghandaan ang panahon ng taghina. Sa kasalukuyan po, ako ay lumalaban sa depression and anxiety at hindi ko po alam kung paano ako ulit magsisimula. Pakinggan po natin ang istorya ng buhay ni Chris dito sa ating YYY Dear Laila. Shout out Chris! Hello?
Hi, magandang gabi, Miss Laila.
Okay, Chris, how are you now? That is the first question because you said that you are suffering from depression and anxiety. How are you now?
Grabe, as in, hindi mo masabi yung everyday, pero when you say you're okay, parang ang hirap din sabihin na okay ako ngayon kasi when you have anxiety and depression, it attacks differently. Like, on the other day, you feel okay, the other day, you feel down. Pero, masasabi ko today, parang I battled the level of depression na ngayon na masasabi kong napaglabanan ko yung parang darkest hour. Kasi parang ngayon, okay na. Parang ganun. Parang masasabi ko na surpass ko yung pinaka down and darkest hour. So I'm moving forward na, and I'm starting to manifest and think about good things na.
Mm-hmm. When you have anxiety and depression, especially if it's clinical depression, it's for people no who is not same as what you are going through. Hindi nila maintindihan na para siyang roller coaster na okay ka ngayon pero kapag ka may nag-trigger sa'yo, maya-maya
Exactly.
hindi ka na okay.
Exactly.
Kapag ka may naalala ka, maybe a childhood trauma that would be a trigger, then ayang ka na naman. Minsan,
Exactly.
para siyang, alam mo yung para siyang kahon? Para siyang kahon, tapos may bola sa gitna. Okay siya eh. Okay. Kapag hindi nag-hit, kapag hindi tumatama doon sa pinakandulo ng mga box, no? Doon sa box. Pero kapag once it hits the box, no? Whatever corner, kahit kung saan man, basta when it hits, doon tayo nagkakaproblema or doon talaga nagiging heightened yung emotions natin. Tama ba?
Exactly.
Okay.
Nakuha mo talaga.
Kasi siguro para sa mga bagong listeners at viewers, meron akong clinical depression. Ang weird siguro sabihin nyo, paano siya nagkaroon ng ganyan, lagi siyang masaya. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi porket masaya. Hindi porket masaya, hindi na pwedeng magkaroon ng ganyan. Okay?
Tama.
So anyways, Chris, ano bang nangyari? What led you to this depression and anxiety?
A lot of factors eh.
Childhood trauma ba?
Meron kasi nung bata ako, syempre, my mom and my dad naman kasi separated when I was nung bata pa ako, grade 1, magkahiwalay na sila. So, I'm a product of a broken family, and then yun, lumaki ako ng hindi buo, like having a school program, like you're graduating and minsan hindi makakatin yung
Hindi kumpleto.
Hindi siya
Kumpleto ang
kompleto.
pamilya.
So, parang darating yung Christmas and everything, wala kayong family picture together and everything. So, ano naman, kumbaga, nung bata hanggang lumaki ako, hindi ko na parang hindi special sa akin yung mga family occasion and family matters kasi alam ko na we're not complete.
Mhm.
Yeah. Pero ang naging fallback ko, yung nag-save sa akin ng mga loneliness is music talaga. So, yun. Sobrang laking factor ng music.
Sumali ka ba sa band o talagang mahilig ka lang makinig sa music?
Noong college days, kasi yung, nagsali ako sa band. So, yun. Parang naging alternative ko ang music talaga. So, it really helps me. And then, yun.
Yun yung form of release mo.
Yes.
And
Kumbaga,
then, now that you're all grown up, working, ano ang nagiging triggers ng iyong anxiety and depression?
madami. So, parang lagi na lang akong pag ina-atake na humanap ako ng fallback.
Okay.
So, nung tumatanda na ako, para namang ayoko na ng ingay, ayoko na ng music. Parang gano'n yung
So,
parang,
tumitito ka na.
oo, parang tito levels na
Tumitito.
getting old.
Mali mo naman yung genre lang. Di ba?
Yeah,
Pwede
getting-
naman palitan natin yung genre kung ayaw mo nang maingay.
Pwede.
Di ba?
Yeah, so parang yung dati yung mga jazz,
Oh.
mga soul na parang boring, yung parang feeling ko nasa lounge music. Pag narinig ko dati ng banda ko, first set tutugtugin ng pianist namin, tapos kakanta ng Anita Baker or luma yung vocalist ako babae. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Boring. Kasi nung 19 years old ako, mga uso R&B, ganyan-ganyan.
Aha.
Feeling ko yung, tas ngayon ko na-appreciate, nung pa 40 years old na ako, kasi I'm 39 right now, turning 40. Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda pala ng mga classic.
Soul, di ba?
Jazz.
Yung soul.
Sabi ko, nung kabataan, baduy talaga. Sabi ko, boring, baduy. Tas ngayon, tumatanda ako, hindi ko ma-imagine na magugustuhan ko pala siya kasi dati sobrang hype ko, laman ako ng bar, barkada, gusto ko yung nasa gitna ng dance floor, hype kumanta, yung mga ganun. Na hindi ko alam na habang tumatanda pala, nagte-tame down tayo.
Yes, that's
lumabas
true.
ang
And mas
happiness natin.
nagmamature ang isipan natin, kahit na may marami tayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay, even if you feel like sometimes one whole day you are being bombarded by a lot of triggers, nagmamature ang utak natin, 'di ba? So ano
Correct.
what are the common triggers ngayon na nagtatrabaho ka na?
Ang laki ng factor ng peace and tranquility, yung talagang peace of mind. Yun ang hindi maintindihan ng ibang tao.
Wala kang peace of mind ba? Yun ba yung nagtitrigger sa'yo?
Like, nung kalakasan ng depression and anxiety. Tapos, kasi nung humina yung racket ko, nag-try din ako mag-call center. So, lagi akong puyat.
Ay nako, kalaban mo yan. You have to get enough sleep. Kasi yung mga dopamine, alam mo naman yan, di ba? Yung mga kailangan natin yan.
And some people don't di nila alam yung like banging of doors, like yung noise sa paligid and everything, na parang nagkataon pa naman na mga family businesses like dito sa bahay, ayun, may mga room for rent, may boarding house, ganyan. So, syempre makikisama ka, tapos hindi naman pwedeng hindi mag-ingay kasi yung partition ng rooms, di ba? Everything. So, paano ko ma-explain sa everybody na I'm going through a lot of things right now.
Pero,
Can you please-
Chris,
So,
alam mo, let me just cut you a bit, ha? Unfortunately, not everybody will understand the way we are.
yeah.
And that is the sad truth. So, kahit papano, we also have to learn to adjust with them. Some people, they embrace us for who we are, what we are going through. Maswerte tayo kapag may mga ganyang tao na pilit kang iniintindi at naiintindihan ka. But,
Yes.
meron din kasing mga tao talaga na, naku, ang dami ko nang narinig na maarte lang yan. Naku, drama na
Yeah.
naman. Minsan, aminin mo hindi, Chris, ha? Minsan, galing pa sa mga kamag-anak mo.
Exactly.
Diba?
Hindi, para silang nag-gaslight. They
Oo.
think na hindi totoo yan. So, tapos, recently nga, I had this news na meron kaming parang nag-inquire ng boarding house recently dito sa building namin na isang girl na parang meron din siya pinagdadaanan, yung girl na to. And then when I checked the social media kanina lang, she was found dead. So di ba nakakashock na
Okay,
parang
wait. Sandali, medyo may trigger warning po to sa mga nakikinig tsaka sa mga nanonood because this is a very sensitive matter. As much as possible, we do not want to talk about suicide on air because it
Yeah.
may trigger some people, especially those with suicidal tendencies. Okay?
yeah.
Okay.
So yun nga, sabi ko, nabalitaan ko, sabi ko, oh my God, parang ang life pala is very, very fast na mamaya may makakasalamuha mo, may nag-inquire, ganyan. Kasi syempre, nasa business side kami, tapos biglang, when you check the social media, oh my God, it really happens. Sabi ko, parang life is short. Kaya parang, nung nakakakita ko ng mga news na like that, sabi ko, mas na appreciate ko to absorb mas swerte pa pala ako kasi I've been through a lot pero I'm a fighter. Yung mga ganong
Yan ang importante.
Yes,
No matter
parang
how
sabi-
many times kang madadapa, kailangan bangon ka lang ng bangon. Kung ilang beses kang nadapa, mas maraming beses ka dapat bumangon. Di bali malagyan kang ng putik dyan sa mukha mo.
Sobra.
Pag natuyo yan,
Sobra.
pwede mo nang tanggalin yan. You can scrape it off, di ba? So, laban lang tayo ng laban. Don't ever
Yun na
think
nga.
of things like those because only God knows kung kailan
Exactly.
ang huling hininga mo dito. So sa mga nakikinig po, don't ever think that. Kahit na it's a sin actually if you're Roman Catholic, it's a sin. Okay? And
Yes.
it's probably the devil tempting you. So please don't give in. Okay? Okay, Chris. Ngayon na
Yeah.
nagtatrabaho ka na, what is the problem? What is the root of your anxiety? Sabi mo kanina parang hindi ka nakapag-ipon at hindi mo napaghandaan ang mga panahon
Yeah.
ng taghirap.
Yan.
Okay.
Yung parang siguro nga nasanay ako before na lagi ako meron, tapos naging one day millionaire. Ang motto ko kasi before, nung bata-bata ako is, live your life to the fullest. Kasi ginawa ko pa siyang email ad ko, live your life to the fullest at yahoo.com. Kasi
Wow.
parang pinangat, and even nakatattoo siya sa akin sa katawan ko, live your life to the fullest. Sabi ko, mali pala yung, okay lang palang mag-live your life to the fullest. Pero, kailangan din pala na
In
talaga
moderation.
may the good direction, and you have to also be a financial, the financial literacy. Sobrang kailangan palang, hindi pala pwedeng waldas ka lang ng waldas na akala mo na masaya. Kasi parang madidepress ka rin naman pala. Masaya ka, this following week, you earn a lot, pero inubos mo naman lahat. So, one thing para nagkakos din talaga ng depression sa tao is yung not able to plan your financial planning. Sobrang halaga pala siya.
Oo naman, kahit sino, kahit walang clinical depression, talagang magkakaroon ng anxiety kapag kulang ang pera, laging kinakapos, talagang malakas makastress yan, Chris, di ba? So, ganun ba ang nangyari sa'yo? What happened to you? Did you have a business or do you have an existing business? And, hindi kita natanong, are you married at 39? May family ka na bang sarili mo?
I tried having a relationship when I was in a band, and I was in Malaysia before. I met a Malaysian girl, and everyday siyang pumupunta sa gig namin.
Wow.
And I'm 28 that time, and I thought na parang sabi ko, gusto ko nang
Ito na, this is it.
mag-asawa,
This
try ko na.
is it. Ganon.
Oo, parang
Oh.
try ko lang ganyan.
Ano nangyari?
And one day, when we're having a dinner, me and my band, tapos yung girl nga na Malaysian, sabi nung, merong lumapit na lalaki, sabi niya, who is the boyfriend of my wife? So nagtinginan kami ng mga bandmates ko, kasi nasa Malaysia kami, so parang delikado ako, pwede akong patayin doon or something.
Oo,
So,
tsaka ba, de-deport ka. Di ba wala kang laban?
wala kaming laban. So, hindi kami
Oo.
nag-react. Walang nag-react.
Oh.
Pinabayaan lang namin magtalo yung Malaysian girl.
Buti
and
hindi
yung
ka tinuro ni
husband
ate
niya.
mo, Malaysian. Hindi ka tinuro.
Ang nangyari sa kanila, parang pelikula talaga, yung parang nag-Tokyo. Si ate girl na Malaysian lumabas, kinuha yung sasakyan, yung sports car niya.
Wow.
Kasi mayaman eh. Parang mga galing sa wealthy family din
Oh.
yung na-met kong girl. Tapos yung husband, naghabulan sila parang Tokyo Drift. Zzz, kasi parang ganun.
Oh.
Tapos yung bill nga namin, ay ang dami naming kinain.
Oh, sino
Bill
nagbayad?
nga, buti na lang yung kabandmate ko, may credit card.
Oh.
So, siya yung nagbayad. Tapos, pauwi na kami, my manager called me, sabi niya, Chris, you have to go back to the Philippines right now. Pack up your things.
Pinabalik ka.
Nagulat ako. So, kung ano yung suot ko, halimbawa ngayon,
Oh.
naka-shirt ako kung ano suot ko, wala ako nadala. As in, passport lang. Hinatid lang ako kasi nga, yung life is threatened na.
Ay,
Sabi
tama
niya,
naman yun. Pero at least mabilis rin mag-isip yung manager mo. Yun lang.
ang bilis talaga.
Paano yun? Di nawalan ka rin ng kabuhayan nung time na yun. 10
Nawala.
years,
So,
10 years,
parang-
11 years ago. Oh.
Yeah, parang
What happened to you here in the Philippines? Medyo ifa-fast forward ko na kasi we only have more or less around 10 minutes. Sige, go ahead.
Ayun na nga. So, nag-try din ako parang inekis ko na yung music industry. Sabi ko, balik sa Pilipinas, bagong start na naman.
Mhm.
So, syempre nasa entertainment scene din naman ako. So, tinry ko naman mag-shooting, taping, and everything.
Nag-artista ka.
Nag-beat player ako, yung tipong laging kabatuan ng linya ng sa mga. So, parang lumaki naman yung ulo ko na parang pakiramdam ko palagi na lang may makukuha ko sa ganun. So, from 2015 and biglang nag-pandemic.
Uh-huh.
So, ayan, sabi ko, shit. Sabi ko talagang bakit ganito? Parang binigyan ako ng break, binigyan ako ng fame, bigla namang nawala. Parang dati na, yung wealthy life nawala. Tapos ngayon naman, binigyan ko ng break, biglang nawala din naman. So sabi ko, ay, ang hirap, Miss Laila, kasi on my age, I'm 39 na. Yung parang hindi ako sanay sa mga work na mahirap. Yung parang ganito lang yung mga madali for me. Like, iba, that's ngayon, nagtayo ko ng business, nag-failed naman.
Anong
So,
business
everything-
naman yon?
Sa coffee. And, I invested sa coffee business, like coffee drips and everything.
Uh-huh.
Failed. And then, may nag-invest din sa akin na friends about sa art, to put art. Pandemic naman. So, yun. So, marami akong things na kailangan pa rin bayaran. Kasi nga, failure lahat ng inano ko.
So itong coffee shop mo ay pandemic born and the art gallery is pandemic born during the pandemic o before pre-pandemic and then nag-pandemic?
Pre-pandemic na.
Tapos naabutan ka?
Oo, tapos meron itong isang, kasi ako, risk taker ako, Miss Laila. So, sabi nung isang hotel sa Manila, earn kaming event, marami kaming VIPs na generals na invited. Ito yung magandang opportunity for your art to be shown. Sabing ganun. So ako naman, kumuha ko ng investor kasi grabe din naman yung material sa art, yung mga canvas, yung basta mahal, everything. So nag-invest ako ng sobra time and effort. Kumuha ko ng at least like 30 to more than pieces of art. Tapos, inilagay ako ng organizer sa last part of the show. So, all of the guests umuwi na.
Left.
So, wala na naman, sino bibili ng painting na pinut ka ng event 9 or 10 p.m. Uwi, ano yung mga guests. So, parang sabi ko, ano ba yan? Wala talaga yata akong swerte. Kasi so, parang, lahat na ng diversion ko na nag-save ng depression ko, music, sinave ako from depression. Art, sinave din ako sa depression and everything. So sabi ko, parang ngayon, ano pa yung iniisip ko na magsasave sa akin? Parang na-art block na ako kasi parang kinalimutan ko na lahat na parang how to start. Yan yung parang nag-ano sa akin na what else I'm gonna do in my next journey of my life? What else?
Hindi ka naman kaya, Chris, nagkakaroon din ng midlife crisis at your age? Have you ever tried
Pwede.
considering
Pwede.
that? Baka nagkakaroon lang tayo ng midlife crisis. Meron ka bang friends who are a bit older than you that you could ask advice from, give you sound advices, give you a pat on the shoulder? Because I believe na kahit na may in spite and despite of these failures that you are encountering, I believe that you at one point
Yeah.
nag-fail ka man, meron kang nagawang tama. Bakit hindi natin medyo i-rewind? For example, the coffee shop. Bakit hindi natin i-rewind yon kung saan tayo medyo naging okay and then pick it up from there? Or maybe you do have older friends or probably who are in the business sector that probably could help you out with starting over again. Kulang ba
I
tayo
know.
din sa financials?
Yeah, kasi nga, syempre, pag within the family, if you're older na, you have to, like, start, kumbaga, sa edad ko, kailangan hindi na umasa or what. So, yun na nga, ang hina ng sales ko sa art ngayon. Pero siguro tama yung sinabi mo na I can go back, start again the coffee in the near future. And
It can be a coffee shop and an art gallery in one.
yeah, so talagang siguro I have to build up again, having a clear set of mind, a positive mind to forget all of that, clear all of the bad and traumas on the mind kasi sobrang halaga talaga yung klarong mind na
Okay.
hindi alam nung iba.
Tama yan.
Kasi,
Pero Chris, I have a question for you. How many hours do you sleep a day?
I started to correct my sleeping pattern 2 weeks ago na, pero
How
since
long?
August, September, October, November, sobrang gising ako hanggang minsan the whole day ako gising, minsan
Wow. That's
gabi
not
na.
good. Chris, alam mo naman yon. It's not good for you. No sleep means severe anxiety and depression. Hindi dapat. As much as possible, you have to sleep. You have to get 8 hours, 10 hours of sleep because, alam nyo yan, mga kapatid, for us who are on the clinical depression side, we need this sleep para na re-rewire yung mga chemicals sa brain namin kasi pag hindi, if we don't get enough sleep, that would mean very low levels of serotonin and dopamine, and you can search this in Google. It's not that we get
Yes.
cranky, pero
Tapos,
dun po kami mas vulnerable na we get triggered by things that leads to this depression and anxiety roller coaster. Grabe yan. So Chris, please get some sleep. O ngayon, nakakailang oras ka na ng tulog?
Grabe na, naayos ko na yung sleeping pattern
Ilan
ko.
na?
Mga 11, 12, tulog mga, minsan nga 10 or 11.
O tama
tulog na ako.
yan. Basta
Gumising ako ng
matulog ka.
morning 6.
Matulog ka ng matulog kasi kailangan mo yan para maging okay again ang mga chemicals natin sa brain. Do you drink medicine? Have you seeked help from medical professionals, psychiatrists, psychologists? No.
Ako kasi, actually, I talk with other friends who experience the same
Okay.
thing.
Mm-mm.
And talagang sila prescribe sila ng mga for grabe nga yung isa kong friend talaga kailangan niya talaga mag-intake ang lakas na ng piniprescribe sa kanya. So ayoko nang ganun. So what I
Okay.
did is like I
So,
listened
hindi.
to
Wala.
frequency. Mga frequency
Binaural
song.
binaural beats?
Yes,
Okay.
like ang
That's
pinaka nakatulong sa akin yung
Okay
alpha
din yan.
state of mind. Yung alpha state of mind
Yes.
frequency.
Okay din naman yan. That's also good. Kung if it works for you, whatever works, that is good. Whatever works, that will be fine. Pero Chris, I guess what I could,
Mm-mm.
well, hindi siya actually payo, but kumbaga parang as somebody coming from the same situation as you are, we both suffer from clinical depression and severe anxiety. Basta if you feel that your day is overwhelmed, huwag kang magpapadala. Take it step by step. Huwag kang magmamadali. It doesn't matter kung gaano kakabagal makarating doon sa goal na yon. Basta yung pacing mo is dahan-dahan lang kasi hindi talaga tayo pare-parehas ng progress. Hindi, you can't look at your neighbor and say, oh my gosh, napaghuhulihan na ako, kailangan ko humabol, no. Huwag kang titingin sa, alam mo yung kabayo, pag nakakalesa, di ba? May tapa de ojo yan, di ba? May parang
Takip.
yes. So, gano'n na, dire-diretso, just keep on going. Sabi nga ni Dory, di ba? Dun sa Finding Nemo, just keep on swimming. So, ikaw naman, para ka lang kabayo na nasa kalesa. Just, may tapa de ojo, just keep on going. Don't look left and right. Just aim for your goal. Doesn't matter how slow, kung gaano kabagal ka makarating, ma-reach mo yung goal, as long as there is progress, that is good.
That's the best advice that
Okay, Chris, huwag kang
I
nagmamadali. Take it from me.
sobra.
Take
Thank
it from
you.
me.
Siguro,
Ang dami kong setbacks, ang dami-dami. To the point that I cry at times, pero hindi ko inaalis yung mata ko sa goal, Chris. Okay? Just keep on going kahit mabagal. Carry bells lang yan. So,
Yeah.
dahan-dahan lang. Pangalawa,
Thank
pangalawa, basta huwag kang lulubay, huwag kang bibitaw. Are you Roman Catholic? Are you Christian? Anong ating religion?
I attended
Roman Catholic?
tawag dito?
Christian? What?
Christian.
Okay. Basta wag kang bibitaw, ha? Wag kang bibitaw kay Lord. Always ask Him to hold your hand because I know He is. Otherwise, wala
Yeah.
ka na dito, Chris. Hindi na tayo nag-uusap. And you
Exactly,
said,
yeah.
'di ba? You said that you're a fighter. Just keep on going forward. Dire-diretso lang, dire-diretso lang. Wag kang titingin, ha? Wag kang titingin sa left and right. Don't look at your neighbors. Wala kang paki dyan. Yung progress mo, yan ang kailangan mong dire-diretso lang. Hayaan mo at your own pace. And very last, because we only have a minute left. Last na. Kung ikaw ay sobrang nababagabag sa isang buong araw, it's okay if you don't have a nice day. It's okay if you don't have a nice day. Just have a day.
Just let it pass.
Yes, just have a day. Ako, alam mo, pag talagang sobrang overwhelmed ako, I look at the clock. Katulad ngayon, 9:15 na. O sasabihin ko, it's like how many hours to go bago mag 12 o'clock? Tomorrow is a new day. It's a clean slate. I'm gonna this up. I'm gonna, kaya ko to. Bukas, I will make up for the things that I failed today. Kakayanin ko yan bukas. At kung hindi, ay ba'y may kinabukasan pa. At may susunod na bukas at may isa pang bukas.
That's
Basta
the
hindi
power.
ako hihinto hanggat hindi ko nakukuha yung goal ko. So, ganon, Chris, ha?
Thank you. It's just like I have a free mentoring.
Oo naman. Anytime na nababagabag ka, tawag ka lang or you can ask Michael for my number. We can talk. Okay? You have a friend in me.
This is a very, very important day in my life kasi it's really stuck on my head lahat ng mga advices mo kasi
Basta
you've been
gagawin
to
mo
the
yan
same
lahat,
boat.
ha?
Yeah.
It's important talaga kasi para po sa mga may kalagayan katulad namin na may nakikinig. So, yun lang yun. Just listen. You don't have to give advices. Kung hindi po kaya, makinig ka lang. You might save a life. Okay, Chris?
True.
Medyo hihinga
Yeah.
lang kami ng onte. Medyo para
Yes,
mas
Miss
maging
Laila.
happy tayo. Magiging happy.
Yeah.
Magpapatugtog lang ako ng happy song. I'm happy that we've met today. It's no coincidence. I'm sure the the Lord made this day happen for you. 'Di ba, Chris?
Thank you.
Sige, Chris.
Yeah,
Ingat ka
fight.
lagi ha. Basta huwag ka susuko. Kapit lang.